Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a slow cooker chicken dish. Recipes down in the description box for your convenience. And let's get cooking. Okay, we have a medium mixing bowl. We have 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, undrained. Now we have 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Throw that in there. And 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now we're going to mix this all together. Okay, we have a 6-quart slow cooker, and I'm just going to shoot it with some non-stick just because. Now we're going to layer our chicken breast onto the bottom. About 4 to 5 pounds worth of chicken breast. In my case, I only have 4. Okay, now we're going to layer our soup mixture. Okay, we're going to cover it, put it on low for about 8 to 10 hours. Okay, it's been on for about 9 hours now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken out and we're going to attempt to pull it. Oh, look at that. Okay, it should just fall right apart. Oh, look at that. That's what you want to see. Okay, we cut it all up. Now we're just going to add it right back into the crock pot. And we're going to let this chicken soak up all that juice, all that goodness. Okay, just let it sit for about a half hour. Just to get some flavors into the chicken. Oh, that looked nice. Look at that. And there you have it. All right, let's give it a try. So a trick I did, I used low sodium, low fat for the soup cans, just to get a lot of that salt not even existent into the dish. And you noticed I didn't add any either, but it's still a mouthful of flavor. Chicken melts in your mouth. Now, you can eat this just like this, almost like a hearty chicken soup. You can use this as a dip. And you know, it's thick enough for a dip. You can add dumplings in there. There's endless things you can do with this. This is a good base on variety of ideas you can go on. So, all right, until next time, it's a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.